Are you preparing for the IELTS? Whether it's for academic or general training, this is the guide you have been looking for. Introducing the GKP IELTS 2025 Academic plus General Test by Career Launcher. Crafted by a team of experienced IELTS professionals, this book is packed with expert advice, practical tips, and proven strategies to help you achieve your dream band score. Dive into a comprehensive range of topics including speaking skills, tips and techniques, education and work, family, hometown, motivation and moral values, food and diet, healthy lifestyle, environment, childhood, and so much more. No matter if you are preparing for the academic or general training test, the GKP IELTS 2025 Academic plus General Test by Career Launcher is tailored just for you. Its user-friendly format makes everything simple and easy to follow. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to clarity. Step by step, this book is your perfect companion for IELTS preparation. Don't just prepare, prepare with confidence.